Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at what I could only describe as a fun little pen. And this is one of the traditional 4-color Bic multi-pens, only it's a miniature version of one and it has a little carabiner clip on it. Now, let's see. World-renowned 4-color pen in a mini size with carabiner clips. 4 colors, 1 pen. Black, blue, red, and green. Alright, let's open this thing up and take a look. Now, as anyone who has ever collected any kind of multi-pens probably knows, this is like the one that probably almost everyone had as their first multi-pen back in the day. So you have a little carabiner clip. You have a super flimsy little chain, and then you have the miniature pen. So let's see. Okay. So, Bic 4-color mini. And this is 1.0 millimeter Bic 4-color mini. Not too bad. Now, if you're interested in this particular thing, I'll include a link in the description for where you can find it on Amazon. You can probably find it all kinds of places like Walmart and that kind of thing too. Bic 4-color mini. And then blue. Bic 4-color mini. Alright, I can tell you with 100% certainty, I hate writing with this thing with the little carabiner on it. It bugs me. But you can also just pop it off. You could probably see if I can get the chain to undo. There we go. Just pop it off and you have a mini Bic pen. So that's not bad. Pretty much the usual stuff. And these are very much disposable, so you really don't need to worry about refills. I don't know. It's one of those things like, I'm glad I got it. I don't know if I'll use it, but it's kind of neat. They're really inexpensive. I think it was like $1 or $2. I think it's like I got like a 3-pack for like $6 or something like that. Anyway, they're not very expensive at this point. So, it's kind of neat though. I don't know, what do y'all think? Are you... Yeah, this chain is crappy. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it or not, but one of the links popped off already. Can y'all see that? Yeah, one of the links of the little chain popped off. So this is probably just going in the trash. But the pen's neat. I like that. I think with the loop on the top, right here, you could probably do better than this little chain though. And the carabiner is not the most expensive carabiner ever either. So, for a fun little multi-pen, it's not bad, but if you're looking for something to write with like all the time, probably not this. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comments, I guess. Comments in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.